Yisong die rubber installing machine receives major upgrades to boost production efficiency and accuracy. Yisong new CutFit Plus model, equipped with EasyLink system, separates single guide rail into dual rails for cutting and pasting. It features 2 alternating cutting stations. Cutting and pasting can work individually in parallel. Overall efficiency is multiplied compared to standard CutFit model. All-in-one for boosted efficiency. Yisong CutFit Plus model is equipped with the Easy Pick module, which significantly reduces the generation of rubber strips and cuts down total time for cutting and picking. Moreover, it comes with the Easy Apply module, eliminating the glue dispensing process and taking efficiency a step further. Newly integrated with the full straight strips rubbering format. It can handle corner strips and irregularly shaped strips in small areas, which achieves a higher pasting completion rate. Not just about speed, also about comprehensiveness. CutFit Plus model redefines the automation and efficiency for rubber installing with the wisdom of parallel operation and integration. Not only an equipment upgrade, but also an evolution of production logic. Yisong CutFit Plus die rubber installing machine strives to become the benchmark.